Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for adding shipping to a purchase order. I'm on the purchase order module, and what you want to do is start processing your PO as you normally would. So select your vendor, add some SKUs. I'm just going to add some SKUs here. And unlike a sales order, what you're going to do for a purchase order is add a line for shipping. So what you can actually do here in order to add shipping to your PO is click on Add Item, click on Service, and click on Shipping. Now I've already set this item up in the system. If it's not set up for you, just add a service type item, call it Shipping, and you can basically create any cost and price on it, and just make sure the correct income, rather the correct accounts are attached to it. So I believe it's a income and expense account that will have to be attached to that item. So once you set up that item, you can call it shipping or freight, whatever you prefer. Just set it up with those accounts, and you can add it now to your PO. So that when you actually receive this PO, when you actually close the ASN on it, generate the item receipt, those correct accounts are accounted for. So I've added my item here. Let's actually track this. I wanted to do one quantity, and let's do 200 bucks shipping. And there we go. Now it's added as a total as per our shipping. I can go to the other info tab here, and I can select some additional shipping fields. So I can select my freight on board, my shipping terms, my carrier, and things like that, all optional fields. But this is the way to add shipping to your PO.